You know, I noticed that Jamaica has become the it location for vacationing and for celebrities to come. So when we think about real estate investing in Jamaica, maybe what we can be thinking about is short-term rentals for tourists. When you're thinking about that as your real estate strategy, you want to make sure location. I talk about it all the time. The location has to be attractive to the tourists. You also have to make sure that the property itself and how you fix it up, the amenities are also attractive to tourists. You have to do some research on the trends that are now in the leisure space and make sure that your space is compatible with the trends. And the next thing, the rules, because a lot of apartment complexes these days have rules and regulations around short-term rentals. Make sure you know the rules and stick to the rules. Short-term rentals are a very attractive real estate investing strategy. Know the game so you can win at the game. That's how it works. Think about short-term rentals within the Jamaican real estate market because it is one of the more attractive and profitable strategies to use right now.